Hello everybody, welcome to a Joyful Clay Tutor. My name is Tristan. In this video I would like to demonstrate how strong is Nara Air Hardening Clay, or Air Dry Clay. I bought this clay at Hobby Lobby and I'm going to demonstrate how strong this clay really is, or how fragile is Nara Air Hardening Clay. So please give me a like on my video and subscribe to my channel before you leave. Right, here we go. So this is a demonstration on how strong is Nara Air Hardening Clay, or Air Dry Clay. So what I did here was I rolled out a piece of clay that is, 1 inch thick. I rolled out a piece that was 1/2 inch thick. I rolled out a piece that's, 1/4 of an inch thick. I rolled a piece that is 1/8 of an inch thick. I rolled out a piece that is 3 cards thick, and I rolled out a piece that is 2 cards thick, deck of playing cards. So in this video, I'm going to show you how strong this clay is. I call this a snap test. So you take your clay, this is 2 cards thick, and you snap it to see how strong it is. Ooh, very strong. I can't break it. Nice. 3 cards thick. Try to snap it. It's more bendy than it is snappy, so it's not snapping. Excellent. 1/8 of an inch. It's not snapping. This is an excellent clay. I'm very impressed. This is 1/4 of an inch thick. You're not going to be able to snap it. You can't snap it. Even though I try snapping and it's not snapping. This is 1/2 an inch thick. I can't snap it. Awesome. This is a really excellent clay. This is 1/2 an inch or an inch thick. And again, you can't snap this clay. Well, folks, I hope that helped and shows you how strong Nara Air Hardening Clay really is and how fragile it is. It's not fragile at all. So, thank you for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you've ever used this clay or what kind of clay you like to use. Let me know. Bye!